I've never been trained like this.
Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today we're going to be doing a super easy and really quick breakfast recipe that's going to be apple peanut cracker. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. Hi guys, today we are doing peanut apple crackers. The ingredients for the same are: first, rice cakes. Second, half chopped apple. Next, 2 tablespoons peanut butter. You can take creamy or crunchy, but ideally should be unsweetened. Then you have is cinnamon powder. So first on the plate we are going to add the rice crackers. To the rice crackers we are going to add our peanut butter. So with a knife I'm going to just evenly spread it all over the rice cake. It's a super easy breakfast recipe. And I'm going to top it up with some apple and drizzle some cinnamon on the same. And our peanut apple cracker is ready. Our apple peanut crackers are ready. The benefits of the same: they are extremely healthy breakfast option. Second, they take less than 5 minutes to get ready. Third, they're loaded with all the 3 essentials. That means your carbohydrate, fats and protein. This contains literally around 7 grams of protein. So they're an awesome breakfast option. Thank you so much for watching my video. Request you to please hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do a lot of videos on training, nutrition and amazing awesome recipes. Thank you so much and lots of love.